works. So it's deep down there, catches the marble, and takes it up on a conveyor belt. Here's a close-up shot of the conveyor belt. You can see it there. And it takes it up about a 12-foot run. The conveyor belt's powered by this motor. And the motor is powered by, I'm just using a 12-volt lab supply here. There you can see it's set at 12 volts. It's running at like about 0.5 amps or so. So that's like 6 watts. So you can see here the motor spinning. It grabs a marble. Let's just trace this marble all the way up. It takes it up the marble run. So this is on the stairs going into our attic. So it's going up the marble run. And then when it gets to the top, it's going to drop the marble off in the marble cup. Okay. And then let me show you. Let me show you here. I'll drop it in the marble cup. Boom. Now you can see. I'll show you on this one how long it takes to get from the top to the bottom. So here it comes. It drops in the marble cup. And then, in just a second, you'll hear it coming out down there at the bottom. There it went. Here, I'll show you another one. There goes one. And then, boom, there it is at the bottom. Post it on your channel.
Yeah. Can I have my